Assalamualaikum guys, good morning. Today is the time for me to unbox my Capal that I received actually like almost 3 weeks ago, but I haven't opened it. But since I'm gonna use it this weekend on Sunday, so I think it's the best time I open it now. So the box itself is leaf motifs. So because this cap is actually the Rimba series, it's quite a cool box, yeah. It's written here the Capal das selawat hari ini. See? It's time to open up. Alright. So what we've got here, the cap itself. Some kind of maybe a book marker. Some card or something. The Capal. What else? Maybe a thank you note from the manufacturer. Wafi Jafar is the pengurus of the Capal. And a review contest. Yeah. And the Capal famous pin here. Where's the camera? Here. Right. Now let's have a look at the cap. The visors is like a flat shape visors. It's a snapback cap. It's written here Sallu ala Nabi, and here on the other side it's written the Capal. It has 6 panels, and all panels comes with eyelet. All the eyelet. Alright. The inside of the cap, it's written here the Capal premium design by the Capal. See that? And there's a hologram sticker on here, R0250, maybe a serial number. It is a limited edition, guys. Like you have, so far I think you have, they sold around 4,000 plus cap. So let's try to put it on. Double strap button. Okay. And a sweatband. I have 2 line stitches on it. Oh, it's actually 5 panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. Not 6. Sorry, my bad. Snap back up. Let's try to fix it. Way too big. Double strap button is good. Let's try this. I think good to wear it this Sunday for my breakfast with my wife.